What's up guys, today we have the ASUS ROG Phone 3 with us. Now if you've seen the ROG Phone 2, you already know how amazing it is. It has 6000 mAh battery. This is the same, but there are more upgrades, so let's get to unboxing and see what they are. Alright, I'm about to unbox right now. Rip off the plastic. Oh! Now this is a fancy looking box, and apparently this is what you're getting if you buy it in Malaysia. So this is like Malaysia's official retail packaging. I'm just gonna slide it out. Right, this is the Aero Active Cooler 3 if I'm not wrong. So this is like a cooler fan that you're supposed to attach behind your phone. This we have the ROG Phone 3 casing. As usual, you know, fancy designs at the back. It's scribbles of ROG. SIM ejector, even the SIM ejector is fancy. And stickers. I actually like this. Colorful stickers, fancy. So where is the phone? Ta-da! It's right here and it's slotted in, so it's pretty secure. Let's just, how do I take this out? I'm scared of tearing it. Okay, wait, there's something. USB Type-C port. Do not insert a USB Type-C cable into this port. This is the ROG Phone 3. Quite pretty. I kind of like this part. It's a bit transparent, like you see through inside, but I don't know what I'm looking at also. Yeah, aerodynamic system, that's what they say. So we're gonna boot up this phone. Oh, there's no more headphone jack. But then you still get an offset USB-C instead of here, you know, it's here. Powered by Android. Alright, so we're busy setting it up, and I just realized that I kind of forgot where the charger is. And right here, it's right here. What is this? This is a 30-watt charger. Yes, 30 watt max. 30-watt charger, and you have its cable here. Oh, this is for USB-C to headphone jack, since, you know, the phone doesn't have one anymore. And then you get the charging cable. These are extra rubbers. Yeah, extra rubbers for the charging port at the side there. Now, let's see. There is this attention thingy, so they're telling you this part, it can actually be removed. Let me just remove it. Okay, right. So there's two ports right here. They say don't insert your charging cable to this port, so this port should be fine. So let's continue setting this up. So I'm about to be done setting it up, and suddenly I get this thing where it says ROG Elite desperately needs you to join the resistance mission. So I'm just gonna press start because I don't know what's happening. Oh, scan ROG totem. I think I'm supposed to scan the box. There's a motorbike. I guess I'm supposed to ride a moto. Oh, start. Okay. Okay, I am in a race, I assume. What is happening, man? Wow. That's what you get with gaming phones. You have to start by gaming. Okay. Is this like a game trailer? Oh, look! That's me! Oh. Okay, that is like their setup introduction, I guess. Alright, so if you've seen the ROG Phone 2, this is actually pretty similar size-wise. It has a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, but what ASUS upgraded is its refresh rate. So if we go to the settings, right now it's actually at 144Hz refresh rate. Freaking smooth, but you can do it in the settings. So I'm gonna go settings right now, go to display, and you can choose your refresh rate. There is 144Hz, 120Hz, 90Hz, 60Hz, or you can go auto. So one thing I mentioned is that there's no more headphone jack, but if you use its Aero Active Cooler, there's actually a headphone jack right here. So this is for you to attach it. We'll do that later. More importantly is, of course, its specs. This is powered by a Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, so it's gonna be super powerful. And it has 5G connectivity. Plus this unit we've got, it's 12 gig of RAM and 512 gig of storage. And if you're a gamer, you obviously need that much of storage since you're going to be downloading a, I want to say, buttload of games. you're gonna be downloading many games, okay? So you need the storage. Now, ASUS also upgraded its camera. Not that it's super important to a gaming phone, but we still like upgrades, right? So you're getting a 24 megapixel front camera, and on the back, you're getting a 64 megapixel main lens paired with a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and another 5 megapixel macro sensor. Now, one thing that stayed the same between the ROG Phone 2 and the ROG Phone 3 is its huge battery, which is a 6000 mAh battery. Plus, you get a 30-watt fast charger, so you don't have to worry, but it's kind of necessary if you want to charge such a huge battery, right? I didn't mention about this. This is Aura RGB. You've probably seen this already, but it's fancy that the lights keep changing. So now we're gonna attach its casing, which is quite fancy. But the main point is that it protects its corner despite all this whole part which is for the accessories. The corners stay protected, so you don't have to worry about dropping it, but don't drop it, don't be crazy. And now we put on the Aero Active cooling fan. Okay, let's just call it a cooling fan. It has like a double, I don't know if you can see it, double USB-C port. So you're supposed to attach it like this. Okay, make sure it's slapped on correctly, and it starts immediately. Yeah, the fan kind of starts immediately. Can't really feel it. It sounds really quiet, but if you put it next to your ear, you'll know. And before we start our PUBG, there's also this thing called X mode. So I turn it on. It's quite fancy. When you turn it off, it goes blue. When you turn it on, it goes red. So let's just get straight to PUBG. Alright, so now we're actually at PUBG settings. As you can see, the graphics I've already set it to the max. Ultra HD is coming soon, so HDR is the max. And the frame rate, we went to extreme. Now, ROG Phone 3 has something called the Game Genie. Okay, basically all the ROG phone has it, I think. But you can see right here, it's showing the frame rate of your game, the temperature of your phone, and whether your X mode is on or not. You can get a bunch of settings right here, like the refresh rate now is set to 144 Hz, and you can even like screen record it immediately. There's your air triggers, which I've set to tap. You can set to a few different ones. There's sliding, swiping, but I just go with tap because that's the easiest one I know. So before our game starts, this phone is actually really loud because there's two front-facing speakers right here, one here, right? And everything looks super smooth right now. Look at that. I bet you can't see it lagging. So usually when you jump, especially when it comes to like lower mid-range or budget phones, then it will start lagging this area the moment you jump, especially the moment you jump. And as we can see right now, it's perfectly smooth. You can even check the Game Genie. See, it's at 59, 60, so it's kind of near the max. That's good. Okay, let's go to the loudest. Okay, this is the loudest. Oh, I have a habit of resting my finger here. So look, I've set my air triggers, the red buttons here, the blue buttons here. Basically, my air triggers is set to punch people? Shoot people, I guess. Pew pew.
Moments later.
Die! Oh, this is killing me.
Just punch the dude.
Why is it so hard to punch a dude? Stop running, man. Let me punch you. Why is this happening? Wah! Oh! I killed someone with a gun. Oh my god, there's another one. Why? Why are they doing this? Hey, can you guys stop? Let me get a gun. Oh, there's no bullet. No wonder. Stop shooting me. Oh my god. This is the hardest battle of my life, guys. Stop. I can't. Oh. I killed 2 persons who has guns with my fist. Hey guys, if you got air triggers, you don't need no gun. Just punch. Oh my god. Look at that. So that ends the short round of our PUBG punching session. But overall, this phone is really smooth. I think it's a pretty good phone and you'll be excited to try out, especially if you're a gamer. Now, we don't actually know the Malaysian pricing yet, but it will be launching this Saturday, which is 5th of September. So stay tuned and we'll update the price in the description box down below. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video and how I punch people to death, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.